before that we are going to add the staircase here. Okay, so let us add the staircase here. Okay, so for that we will be adding the staircase. Okay, let us add the staircase. Okay, so for that railing what we will be doing is, so here let us see in this plan, here a gap is provided, from that gap the railing is provided. Okay, so for that here the gap will be certain distance. Okay, so go on here and we'll be giving the offsets. Okay, so for that click on this offset option here. We are going to give the offset as 6 inches. Click on enter here. Very good. Oh, so it is becoming too much distance, so we will be giving the offset distance as 2 inch only. Click on enter here. So I am giving this side, so in the same way I am giving this side. Okay, so we will also be giving the 2 inches offset to this side also. Okay, so or else let us give the offset as 3 inches. Okay, okay, so here we are given that one. Okay, so for that the offset has been given. Okay, select this line, click on delete here. So here the railing will be provided. Okay, so next we have to draw the line here. Okay, so for that purpose we have taken this as 3 inches one. Okay, so click on this option, we have to offset this one with 3 inches. Click on enter here, click on this option here, so it has been given. Next click on this escape option here. Okay, next let us trim this one. Click on this trim option here, click on this enter. So let me go here, trim option, click on enter here. So it will be trimmed off. Okay, so it has been trimmed. Okay, so here you can see, here also let us trim here. Okay, so let us see in this one. So here you can see, so from here onwards we have to give the steps. Okay, so for that let us go here and let us minimize this to some distance, because from picture you can see that it is lacking of distance of, so from here to here the distance is so 2 into 9 inches, that is equals to 1 feet 6 inches. So from here it is 1 feet 6 inches downward. So click on this one, so we will be copying it to the this side. So let the offset be distance be 1 feet 16 inches. Click on enter here. Next we have given this to this side. Okay, so for that click on this escape option here. So our next step is that we have to delete this one. So click on this trim option, click on this enter option here. So here we have to select this one, so we have to delete this option also. Okay, so for that click on this and click on delete option here. Okay, so it has been deleted. So we have to take the offsets for this one. So why? Because we have to create the threads here. Okay, so here you can see the threads have been given. Okay, so we are giving the threads in so we are going to give the threads in with the 9 inches only. Okay, so for that select this, let me explode this one because it will become so much. So click on this export. I am selecting this object, it is not able to export. Okay, so let it be there only. Okay, so let me delete this and let us add this new line. Okay, so for that, so click on here and let us add it here to here. Click on escape option here. The same way we will be doing this one also. line, go to here offset and specify the offset distance as 9 inches. Okay, so we are going to give the threads as 9 inches only. Okay, so click on this option, click on here, clicking, so I am going to give in this way, as you can see here. So in this way we have to give the threads. Okay, as you have seen here, the threads have been given. Okay, so as for here the threads have been given. So our next step is that we have to give the indication for to go the up or down. Okay, so from here onward the arrow will be going from here to here. Okay, we will be taking it as upward. Okay, so for that, go here, let us see here whether the leader will be coming or not. Select and delete this one. Let us add the arrow mark here. Okay, so for that, click on here, so here the arrow mark has been added. Okay, so in the same way we have to add the arrow mark from here also. Okay, so click on this close editor option here, so go to leader option here. So we have to give this here too. Click on this F8 option here. We have to give the dimensions also. Okay, so for that, click on this option here. So let me add the another one also. So click on this, click on this escape option here. So our next step is that we have to remove this one. Okay, so for that, go to here in leader, so remove leader. Okay, selecting of a multi-leader. So click on this enter option here. We have to remove this slider, or let us remove this arrow marks here. Okay, so for that, purpose we have to give the arrow marks. Metric, we can give the square metric, so windows etc. will be giving. Okay, so let us close this one. Okay, so let me close this option. Okay, so here we will be adding those components. Okay, so before that, let us add these components here. Okay, so for that, so let me select this and copy this towards this direction, and let us give this in any other direction. So here it is in 180 degrees, so I am giving it as 90 degrees. Okay, so here next select on this, so click on this mirror option here. So I am going to give this. Okay, select on this no option here, doors for this one. Okay, click on this. Okay, and click on this copy option here. So click on this F3. So here it has been given, okay, of the F3. So it has been given. Okay, so in the same way we have to give this one also. Okay, so for that, go here in copy, click on this F3, and we have to give place it here. Sorry, it is all this F3 here. So here it has been added. Okay, so let me deselect this one. Option here. So here you can see, so here it has been given. Okay, so we have to provide the main door here. Okay, so for that one, so let us deselect this, all of these options here. So let me erase this one. Okay, so let me select these doors and rotate it. So click on F3. So in the same way we have to give this one, we will be providing it with the main doors. Okay, so for that, click here on mirror and select this point, select this, no. Okay, here the main door has been created. Let us add this main door to this one. Okay, so click on this copy here, and let us copy this to here. Let us have this F8 and F3. Place it here, so the main door will be provided. Okay. So after that, providing with the main door, so here all the main door has been created. Okay, so in the next video we will be editing this one intros. That means we will be adding this materials, annotations, and we will be editing the doors here. Okay.